Good afternoon. I am selling this Milwaukee Circular saw. I'm not sure how old it is. It looks like it is 13 amps, 5800 RPM, which I believe is pretty standard. It is older, obviously. It's made in USA, it says right there, Brookfield, Wisconsin. So it's an oldie, but it's a goodie. It's very rugged. It is fairly heavy. Not sure how heavy. Might be 8 pounds maybe. All the adjustments work. It never had a wrench, so I'll throw this along with it. But I'm looking at $60 for the saw, and the blade can stay with it. I did have to butt splice the wire here because the person before me nipped the blade, or nipped the wire I should say, with the blade somehow, or maybe with something else, who knows. Otherwise everything's nice and solid. It's kind of loud. As you can see, the decal on the saw blade is a little crooked, but anyway, I mean, it really doesn't look like it has too many uses under its belt, but the shoe is in good shape for the most part. Everything functions as it should, and I'm basically selling because I got a new saw. So this one was always my backup. So I don't need a backup for my backup. So this one here is going to go. But it's definitely a great saw. Always cuts nice and straight. And I know whoever picks this up for $60, or best offer, of course, will be quite happy. Especially considering it's an old tool that was made in America, and that's pretty hard to find nowadays. Thank you.